Hi folks, this is Richard Doyle here with BeLeanForLifeCoach.com, and today is day 20 in our 21-day challenge. You may have noticed yesterday, if you were paying attention, that I mentioned the day 18 when in actual fact it was day 19, but I didn't go back to change it. So here we are though today on day 20. So let's look at, from the diet perspective today, let's look at intermittent fasting again. Let's see how long you can actually go between dinner and when you eat the next day. Now this isn't a test in suffering or anything like that. The longer you can go, the better indication will be that you have started to transition to a fat burner. You've become fat adapted, and there are so many benefits associated with that, and there are a considerable number of videos on my website that go into that in much greater detail. But just see how long you can go. If you can get back to dinner again without eating, that would be basically a full day fast, or what we refer to as OMAD, which is 1 meal a day. Very beneficial. In fact, it helps you start the autophagy process, and there are a huge amount of health benefits associated with clearing out all the debris in your cells. So see how far you can go today. Exercise. Let's do an extended aerobic exercise today, and I'm going to suggest 60 minutes or perhaps even longer if you can manage it. And you're probably thinking, well, that's a pretty boring thing to do for an hour, and I kind of agree with you. But one thing I used to do, I used to take my iPad with me to the gym and prop it up on the machine that I was using to get my aerobic exercise. Just watch something on your mobile device that gets your attention, better still if it's health related. But anyway, try and get in more than 60 minutes and see how that goes. And finally here, on the lifestyle side, primal changes. Now you've been 21 days or 20 days, I guess it is today, but 19 full days you've probably got through to this point. See if you can list 10 things that we would consider to be a primal change, whether that be in your diet, your exercise, or your general lifestyle activities. See if you can come up with a list of 10 things that you have changed over the last 19 days that will bode well for you health-wise going forward.